In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Squarespace website to your Facebook business page, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're promoting a new product, connecting with your audience, or simply enhancing your online presence, linking these platforms is a game changer. So let's dive in and get started with the steps to seamlessly connect your Squarespace to your Facebook business page. First things first, we'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on the Squarespace login page, go ahead and click on the option that says Login. If you're someone who uses Google to manage your passwords and accounts, you'll find it easier to click on Continue with Google. This will allow you to access your account using your Google credentials, streamlining the login process. After successfully logging in, you should see your dashboard with the list of your websites. Locate and click on the particular website you intend to connect with your Facebook business page. This will lead you to your website's specific settings page where all the magic happens. Now let's navigate to the settings. You'll want to head to the top right corner and look for the settings option. This is your control center for your website where you can tweak various functionalities according to your needs. Click on it and you'll find a deeper menu of settings options. In your settings menu, search for third-party tools. Clicking on this will open up the functionalities that allow you to integrate external services with your site. This is exactly where you need to be to connect your Facebook account. Next, proceed by clicking on Connected Accounts. This is the page that displays all the existing accounts connected to your Squarespace account. If it's your first time here, this page should be relatively empty. To link a new account, click on the button labelled Connect Account. A variety of platforms should pop up on your screen now. Scroll down or search for the Facebook icon. Selecting Facebook will guide you through to the next step, where you will authenticate your Facebook account with Squarespace. Once prompted, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Use your Facebook credentials to log in and make sure that this account has administrative access to the Facebook business page you wish to connect. This step is crucial as you need to grant the necessary permissions to Squarespace to manage and display your Facebook content. Finally, confirm the connection by clicking on Connect. This action will link your Facebook business page with your Squarespace website, enabling seamless sharing and management across the two platforms. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've connected your Squarespace website to your Facebook business page. This integration not only enhances your online presence, but also allows you to tap into Facebook's vast reach, ultimately expanding your audience and driving engagement. Remember, staying connected with your audience is key, and leveraging tools like this can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.